Hello guys, this is Mong, and today I'd like to introduce you with a very special guest whose name is Thang Biak Len. Okay, Biak Len, how old are you?
Good.
How old are you?
7.
7 years. Okay, what's your grade?
First grade.
Just first grade.
Yeah.
Okay, so I heard that you're very much interested in the solar system. Okay.
Okay.
So, in what planet are we living?
Earth.
Earth. Okay, can you explain me more about our solar system?
Yes.
Okay, so let's go here. Okay, what is this one?
A sun.
The sun?
Yeah.
Okay, what is this?
Mercury.
What is this?
Venus.
What is this?
Earth.
Okay, what is this?
Mars.
Okay, what about this one?
Jupiter.
What about the next one?
Saturn.
The next one?
Uranus.
What about the next one? The last one?
Neptune.
Neptune. Okay, so what is the hottest planet in the solar system? The hottest planet?
Venus.
Venus. This one?
Venus over here.
No, what is the hottest planet?
Venus.
Venus is hottest?
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, you said Venus is the hottest planet, right?
Yeah.
I thought this one was the hottest planet because in my mind, it's the closest planet to the sun. But you are right. It turns out that this planet is the hottest. Okay. Okay. What is the hotness or the heat of this planet? How many degrees Celsius of Venus? 870
degrees.
Wow, that's true. So what about this one? What's the heat of it?
800.
800
Yeah.
degrees Celsius. Wow. What about the next one? What about the planet Earth?
60 degrees.
60 degree
Yeah.
Celsius. Oh wow, that's great.
Wait. The Earth don't be like 60 degrees.
Oh.
So it's supposed to be 100 degrees.
100 degrees?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, what about the next one? What is this planet again?
Mars.
Mars. What is the hotness of the planet?
Minus 20 degrees. Supposed to be like hot.
Oh, minus 20 degree
Yes.
Celsius. Okay, what
It's
about...
supposed to be like hot, but at the top Mars, that's because we have big mountain or volcano.
Mountain of volcano
Yeah.
on the Mars.
At the top.
At the top.
At the Mars.
At the Mars, there is mountain of volcano.
Yeah. At
Wow.
the Mars. At the top with the Mars.
Wow, this gonna be so hard. Like it's gonna be hard. Like right.
Yeah.
So what about the next one over there?
What?
I think that is Mars, right?
No.
No.
That's Jupiter.
Oh, Jupiter. What is how hot is Jupiter?
Miss 120 degrees.
Minus 120 degrees.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. What about the next one with the ring?
Saturn.
How hot is it?
Miss 160 degrees.
160 degrees. Okay.
Minus.
Minus, not plus. Okay, what about the next one?
Uranus.
Uranus. Okay, I forgot it. Okay. What is the heat of that planet?
Uranus. Miss 220 degrees.
220 degrees.
Yeah.
Wow.
Minus,
What about the last planet? How hot is that planet?
Minus 230 degrees.
Minus 230 degrees. So that's gonna be really freaking cold, right?
Yeah.
So can we survive on that planet, that cold planet?
No.
No. So for now, humans being can survive only on the planet Earth. Okay, okay, that's amazing. Okay, what about these small little things?
Asteroid.
Asteroids.
Yeah.
Are they planets?
No.
No.
They're made of rocks.
They're made of rocks.
And Venus, Mercury and Mars. Not Earth looks like their soil. Soil. And
Soil?
yeah. No, they're made of something else.
Something else?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're made of gold.
Made of?
Load.
Load.
glowed.
Glowed.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's just imagine that I know that. Actually, I don't. So, what is the planet which has gas?
Saturn.
Saturn. Saturn has gas.
Yeah, because it looks like farted.
Looks like?
Looks like gas off clouds.
Gas of clouds. It has gas of clouds. Wow, that's amazing.
Because there's no stink.
No?
There's no stink.
The best thing is so I don't want to live for sure. Do you want to live there?
No.
No, stink.
Yeah, because we cannot survive.
On the planet.
Yeah.
I see. So, what about these small little things? That, what is that one?
I say meteoroid.
Meteorite.
So
Meteorite.
meteoroid.
Okay.
So meteoroid can hit the Earth.
Oh my gosh. I pray that they don't hit the earth, at least.
So the meteoroid go inside the Earth. So Earth have an ocean. So meteoroid hit the ocean with the Earth.
Wow. What happened if the meteorite hits the earth?
Because it can explode it like an ash with the volcano inside the water.
So all living things, including you and me and all humans being, gonna die, right?
Yeah.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Wow, I'm afraid. So the meteorites and the asteroids are different.
Yeah.
I see.
So meteoroid made of cold glowed.
Cold glow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. You already mentioned that the asteroids are made of rocks, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the sun is pretty big, right?
Yeah. But it looks like a star.
Oh, is the sun a star?
Yes.
Is it a star?
Yes, not star. Stars.
Stars.
Yeah, there's a S on it. The star means you got. There's no stars.
Okay.
So,
Okay, let's talk about Uranus.
Yeah.
Okay, what's special about that planet?
Uranus.
Yeah.
There are the cold. There have ice planet.
Ice planet? It's an ice planet.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna be so cold, right?
Yeah, it can be freeze.
Freeze.
Yeah.
Why? Why so?
Because he's the pretty far
From
the sun.
the sun. Oh, it is pretty cold because it's very far from the sun, which means that the sun is where the heat come from. Is that right?
Yeah.
I see.
So
Where is the moon, by the way? Where is the moon? The moon.
There's the Earth on the.
This one, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so the moon is kind of orbiting, moving around the Earth.
Yeah.
Right? So what about the planets? They are.
And wait.
Okay.
Wait. The Earth have a moon just give you an ocean. When it's not the ocean, when you have a moon, that's how you stop, like 70 hours.
Oh, 70 hours.
Yeah.
Oh, so which means that the moon kind of controls the behaviors of the oceans.
When you go down the ocean so little, that's how you have clouds.
Ah.
Clouds, something are storms, rain, or something else to do.
Okay. So, okay, let me ask you another questions because I don't really know it, okay? Can I ask you one question? So, are these so-called planets, are they moving or are they staying quiet and staying static?
It's just moving.
They're just moving.
Yeah, they're moving like spinning.
Spin.
Yeah.
Like orbiting. They are moving around the sun.
Yeah.
Okay. So, isn't that beautiful? So what if they don't move anymore? What will happen if the planets are not moving?
Because when you are stopped, when you're not moving, because you're gonna be turned. When you're gonna turn different ways. So when you got mixed up with the planets, that's called when you mixed up the planet, it cannot do fit
In the solar system.
Yeah, when you stop the planet, it cannot you can mix, but when you mix it, it cannot fit.
It cannot fit in. So kind of they are very systematic.
Yeah, looks like you cannot fit it. United States cannot be in the top of Canada. So you stop the Earth or the everything like planets.
So I see. So which means that we cannot, I mean, move any planet faster or slower. Like we should keep them on the kind of their normal, I mean, speed. Okay.
So Jupiter's the fast spinning.
The fast spinning.
Yeah.
Jupiter.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because he's the biggest planet.
Because it is the biggest planet.
Yeah.
And it moves the fastest. Oh,
yeah.
I never knew.
So Saturn looks like fast too.
Saturn is fast too.
Yeah, and something like Uranus looks slow fast. And you're in Neptune, so Earth's spinning slow. And Venus is slow. And Mars and Mercury say slowly.
Oh, okay. So are you saying that the planets that are closer to the sun moves a little bit slower than the planets that are far from the sun?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
So asteroid go turn upside down and go fit again.
Okay.
For rocks and asteroids.
Okay. Okay. I heard that, you know,
yeah.
Some scientists said that an asteroid hit the Earth in the past, and that's why they said the dinosaurs are kind of, you know, extinct.
Yeah.
Is that possible?
Yeah.
Why so?
Don't know.
Maybe it's so it hit so hard. Okay. So okay, it's a very difficult question, but how can we prevent the Earth? I mean, how can we prevent an asteroid from hitting the Earth?
Because when the asteroid go inside the Earth, it hit the volcano.
It hit the volcanoes.
Yeah, because when they break it, they have lava exploded with the ash.
Okay, it's kind of they are creating volcano things. I see. So we better not stay near those places, right?
Yeah, and dinosaurs did have volcanoes.
I see. So let me ask you another question. Why are the planets not moving far away from the sun? Why are they like kind of keep moving just around the sun, and why are not they moving outside, you know, far from the sun?
These four things.
Yeah.
To talk because they have to mix up and Jupiter Jupiter got a red spot on the bottom, so he can go top. So Saturn have a ring like this because it's gonna go up like this, so it messed up. And Uranus like this because it's gonna turn like this, it cannot fit. So
I see.
And Neptune got something else like this because it can be like this, up and down, up and down. Something else.
So say let's imagine I am Saturn.
Yeah.
And I have the rings, right?
Yeah.
So let's imagine my arms are the rings. Okay. So are they like this or this like this?
They looks like this.
This? And they are moving like this.
They're moving like this.
Okay. So okay.
Looks like this. Looks like this.
Ah, I see. So the planets are not staying. I mean, they are not. They do not stop, but they are always keep moving. So let's talk a little bit more about the. How do you call these things?
Asteroids.
Asteroids. Okay. Can they hit the planets? Asteroids can hit the planets?
Yeah, because only Mars and Jupiter.
Oh, only Mars and Jupiter.
Yeah.
They can hit only Mars and Jupiter.
Yeah.
Why so?
I don't know, because asteroids have to spin, but you don't want to hit Mars and Jupiter, only Earth, because because when you hit the Earth, you need 5 asteroids to hit it.
I see. I see. So, okay. Let me ask you another question. Okay, are these planets the only planets? Or are these planets, and is this is this sun the only sun we have in our universe? Are there any others? Solar system or other suns in the universe? Yes.
Something else like Oort cloud inside like solar system.
Okay.
Oort cloud, something else like.
Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Can you please tell me a little bit more about the Milky Way?
Okay, Milky Way galaxy have Oort cloud. These something that little over here.
So kind of complicated.
Yeah.
Looks complicated, but when you see them, when you kind of look at them closely, they are not complicated, but they are very systematic inside of that, right?
Yeah.
I see. So that's interesting because okay. So are there any kind of suns in the solar system? Not in the universe or in the Milky Ways?
They're in the Milky Way galaxy.
So there are a lot of sun.
So the universe have Milky Way galaxy within inside because we cannot see.
Oh, we cannot see every Milky Way.
Yeah.
But only some. Okay.
When you are the humans, you cannot see the germs all the way over here down because what's going on?
So that's why we use something like this telescope to see them.
Not telescope.
What do we use that?
Telescope.
Telescope. Oh, what's the difference between telescope? Telescope.
Yeah.
Okay. You just taught me something new. I never heard of that, but I just know everything is kind of telescope. Okay, so what's special about the sun? So why is it so red?
First one, red because he got burning it.
Burning.
Yeah.
So it is burning, so that's why it's kind of looks red.
Yeah.
So
sun have yellow and orange and red.
Yellow, orange, and red.
Yeah.
Okay. Not just one color.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do we get from the sun? What is the kind of the functions of the sun? What does it do to the other planets? You're a little bit sleepy. Okay. What does it do? The sun looks very bright, like. So it gives us what? Hotness, heat, and what? I think
the sun give you a hot planet.
And
done.
What about light? Does it give us light? Because it is burning, right?
Yeah, but I'll have oxygen.
Okay, so that's very interesting. So
I can draw infinity. Look.
You can draw eternity?
No, infinity.
Infinity, okay.
This is infinity.
Okay, this is infinity.
Yeah.
This one. Biak Len says this is infinity. So it looks like kind of a rope. What does it mean? What does infinity mean?
Can we draw eternity?
I think that's the same. Eternity and infinity are the same, right?
Yeah. You see, you do like this.
So what is that?
You mean eternity.
Okay. So this is what Biak Len just draw, and he said this one is infinity, and he says this one, it looks like a cock, and it is eternity. I think that by saying this, he means there is no time limit in eternity. Okay, so Biak Len, you just said eternity or if infinity is bigger than the universe, right?
So let me spell.
Infinity. Okay. Wow.
Eternity.
Yes.
Eternity.
Okay, that's just amazing. So, okay, it's okay. Let's just. I mean, I just want to ask you, like, you're kind of talking about big words in eternity or infinity, right?
So that God is God is bigger than infinity and eternity.
God is bigger than infinity and eternity.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just put this. Okay, the sun is bigger than the planets.
Yeah.
And the universe is the Milky Way is bigger than the solar system.
Yeah.
And the universe is bigger than the Milky Way again, right?
Yeah.
And you just said infinity or eternity is bigger than the universe, right?
Yeah. And
the biggest is
God.
God. Wow. Let's just clap your hands. That's amazing.
So God's we cannot that big or God we don't that's go all the way talking to gods. So
can you please tell me more about God?
So
He's the biggest, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So God's some give you all of these things like earth or the space.
Okay, He gives everything.
Yeah.
He is the creator.
Yeah, because He knows all of things.
He knows all of the things.
Yeah, I tell the question to God. So He knows.
You ask question to God.
Yeah, we can tell.
Oh gosh. How do you ask questions to God?
Because
How do you ask?
the God knows when I'm saying the question.
Okay. Let's just, I'm not God, right? Okay,
Yeah.
let's just imagine I am God. So, ask me something. How do you ask me? How do you ask something to God? By prayer?
Yeah.
By
Or-
prayer. Or?
Or you could be praise.
Oh, prayer or praise. Like, singing song. How great thou art, how great thou art. Like this?
Yeah, but
Okay.
okay, something when you are good, you have to go heaven. When you are bad, you go hell.
If I am good, I go to heaven. If I am bad, I go to hell.
Because when you go bad on your hell, because there's a fire.
There is fire.
Yeah.
Like this sun.
Yeah.
I see.
So when you go heaven, you can save when the peoples when they die like something like Jesus.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. That's beyond our kind of discussion. So we start our discussion by talking about the planets, then the sun, then the Milky Way, then the universe, and then infinity and eternity, right?
Yeah.
And then we end up with God, because He is the biggest. Okay, so it's very interesting. That's why I think God is, you know a lot of things, right? You are just 7 years old, and you are at your first grade. And you know a lot more than I do when I was a high school student.
You're in the high school?
Huh?
You're in the high school?
Yeah, but I didn't know these things. That's why I'm kind of a little bit ashamed when I talk to you.
When there's at the top of the window,
Hmm?
and you see at the top of the window?
Yeah. So I am now, a college student, which means I'm a university student, right?
Yeah.
But I still don't know these things. But you are just 7 years old, and you knows, small things and great things.
No, wait, I'm the middle school.
You are the?
I'm the small. the big in the school.
You are just okay. You are a small,
Big in the school.
a small big in the school.
Yeah.
What do you mean by small big?
I don't know what I don't know what I gonna mix something.
You don't know what?
What you gonna mix like small and big?
Okay.
Let's tell God. He knows.
Ah, so okay, that's just amazing. Okay, in my opinion, I think that Biak Len is very smart and very clever at his 7 years of age, but he just told me that he knows not very much. That's why he is kind of asking God. So you are really, really a genius, and at the same time you are very humble.
Yeah.
So your mother or your father would have been very, very good fathers or good parents. So, okay, what do you want to talk about more? Do you have something to tell me more that I have not asked you?
Okay.
What do you want to talk about now?
Next.
Yes.
Let's talk about. Let's talk about. Let's talk about maps. Let's talk
Maps. Okay, let's talk about maps.
I'm drawing United States.
You are drawing the United States?
Yeah.
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Guys, I live in Myanmar, and
No, you're born of Myanmar.
yes, I'm born of Myanmar.
I'm born of Malaysia.
Oh, you are born of Malaysia.
Yeah. So there's Myanmar, Burma. Ouch.
Wait. Okay.
So this is Malaysia over
Giải
here.
cầu vồng.
Do you see? This is.
Wait.
This is
Where is Myanmar?
over here, Myanmar, Burma.
Oh, Myanmar or Burma? Okay. Where is it? Oh, that's Malaysia.
Yeah, Malaysia.
That's where you born.
Yeah.
Then where is the United States?
Over here.
Ah.
My baby's born on the United States.
Oh, they born in the United States.
Yeah, that big O.
Okay, so where do you live in the United States?
At the Texas.
Texas.
On Dumas. You on Socorro in Greenville.
Oh.
You see over here.
Oh my gosh, this kid is really amazing. You know that I came from South Carolina and Greenville, right?
Yeah.
How do you know? Who told that?
Because you're pretty far, like a mile.
Oh my God, you know a lot about me.
So I have to go April for you, but you just come to the April with Ameru.
So okay, you're kind of planning to come to me.
Yeah.
But because I came to you, the problem is solved. So this is Texas.
Yeah, Texas.
I see. It's pretty big. I think it's the biggest state in the United States.
Well, you go back with Greenville.
Yes, I will go. I have to go back.
So Georgia,
Yeah.
Oklahoma,
Uh-huh.
Tennessee,
Uh-huh. Arkansas.
yeah, and go back Oklahoma,
Oklahoma.
and you're gonna go back Ameru in Texas because it's like 1,
Okay.
2,
Where?
3, 4, and 5. That's 5. You have to go maps with 6 with Ameru.
Okay. Where is New York?
New York over here.
Oh, I see. What is that?
Canada.
Is that a country?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I see. The United States is kind of pretty big, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to become someday?
Sunday?
Wait, what do you want to be when you becomes old? When you become an adult?
Old?
Yeah.
Sick.
Do you want to become a scientist? Do you want to become someone who studies about the planets, the universe, and about God? Do you want to become that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
Only science. Science.
You want to become? You want to study science?
Yeah.
I see. But at the same time, you want to become a scientist, and yet you put God all above the science things, right?
Yeah.
Because He's the biggest. That's really amazing. I hope and I pray that you'll become a really kind of, famous scientist.
Yeah.
Okay, that's amazing. Do you have something to tell me?
So my dad brothers is on India.
Indiana.
Yeah, and my dad brothers,
Okay.
because he's in the Qtari in Bowling Green. Where's Bowling Green?
So you know a lot. I mean, a lot about the United States.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, you are just, Can you tell you some? Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
When I was a high school student at our school, my teachers told me to draw the map of Burma or Myanmar. I couldn't draw it. But you're just, 7 years of age, and you just draw a lot about the United States, right?
Yeah. Country.
Yeah, that's really amazing. Hi guys, this is really amazing experience to have, a quality time with Biak Len. Biak Len, thank you so much for, answering a lot of questions I asked you, and not only the questions I asked you, you just kind of, added on questions that I didn't ask you, but which are much beyond my knowledge. So you're really a genius, and you will become a scientist, and you will glorify God with your knowledge. Okay, and our discussion starts with the planets. We talked about the planets, and you know all the 8 planets, and you know all the heat or the hotness of the planets in degrees Celsius. And then you kind of explain me a little bit more about the sun, right?
Yeah.
You said, the planets closer to the suns are, I thought that the planets closer to the suns are hotter in general, but that's true. But you said that this is not the hottest planet, even though this is closest to the sun. So, because that planet has gas, right? So, you told me that, and then our discussion moved a little bit on the Milky Way, right? And then we moved on discussing about the universe, and it's kind of complicated. It looks complicated from above, but when you study them, they are very systematic. And then you talked about infinity and eternity, right? And you said infinity is bigger than the universe. Yet, God is bigger than infinity. So we ended up our discussion with God. And you told me that you always pray and praise God so that He gives you knowledge. I hope that's pretty important, and I appreciate that. And also, you explained me a lot about the maps of the United States. Not only the map of the United States, but also of Malaysia, where you were born, and of Burma, where your parents and I were born. Okay, so Biak Len, I just want to say thank you so much, and I hope that you'll become, at my age, you'll become a pretty successful scientist. Okay. Can I have a handshake with you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay! Thank you so much, everyone. This is Biak Len, Thang Biak Len. He's my nephew. I'm very proud of it, and he's gonna become a genius. And he's already a genius, but he'll become a scientist, which will glorify God and which will benefit the United States and Burma, Malaysia, and all the world. Thank you so much for enjoying.